AI is spitting out garbage code, and vibe coders are shipping it anyway. So this article just talks about all the stuff that we've talked about before. This is what's happening out in the programming ecosystem. And essentially, I don't think I need to go over this very much, but the vibe coders are being recognized for shipping the sloppiest code you can possibly imagine. It's not even good enough to qualify as junior level code. And they continue to do it. And I'm glad to see articles like this. It's getting more attention. People are realizing that these AI systems cannot generate good code an overwhelmingly large amount of the time. It's crazy. As a matter of fact, I might go over one or two articles today. I don't remember everything I have lined up that go exactly over this. And the issue with this, so for example, I as a programmer am frustrated because then I have to go and look like this some nights, or I have to go and clean up code that was generated by AI. It's not often that I have to do that. It's pretty rare, honestly. But I do know of some people who do have to do that on a regular basis. And then you as a consumer have to pay for it, and you actually pay multiple times. Think about it this way. You pay OpenAI or ChatGPT, whatever you pay to have access to that LLM system. And it's great. For certain things that you do, it might even be fantastic. And for most things that you do, it's probably kind of crappy, let's be honest. But you pay for that. You have to pay for that. And if you're not paying for it, you're paying for it anyways. Do you know how? Because your data is being taken. And so one way or another, you're paying for it as a consumer. Then that money gets funneled into the same system that a programmer pays for to make that system train itself further to generate even more code slop. And then the programmer like me has to deal with the generation of code slop. And if you're a programmer using these systems, you probably are also paying for these AI systems as well, like we covered yesterday. So there's like a triple, almost quadruple payment. These AI companies are making bank. And in the meantime, we're all looking like this. We're not happy with the output. The tens of billions of dollars we're putting into these systems is not worth it. Generally, when you compare the output. Now, are there good use cases? There are good use cases, and there are times, I've covered this before, where if you can manage to keep the scope narrow for AI, then it will sometimes do okay. It will sometimes do okay. But that's like pretty much, like in terms of coding at least, that's the high end. It'll do okay. So I don't know. It should frustrate you as a consumer.